Well, I took out the top of the banner that shows this is the time lapse. This is about from 11:30 to 12 o'clock, 12:30 or so. Anna Maria looking off toward the northwest. And as I put the time lapse into motion, you can see that line coming in. Rather intense looking line it was. It looks like it could bring a lot of rainfall, but you know what? A few sprinkles and it was over. That's the gust front or outflow boundary from the storms that were developing over the northern Gulf of Mexico, creating winds up to 40, 45 miles an hour. This is a shot of the day. Zachary he actually labeled this one, "Here comes the rain." Well, really, no rain came at all with this. It's just an outflow boundary with a few sprinkles. That was about it. And that's a result of that, just a roll cloud basically out ahead of that heavy rain that was into the northern Gulf of Mexico. You can see what we have out there now. That first line that moved through is well to the east of us now. It did eventually kick up some rain into central Florida due to the heating there, but we have another line, intense line of showers and storms, and this is staying together a little longer than most of the models have indicated. It's over some very warm water here. I think it'll have a chance to hold together and bring us some rainfall after midnight, though. It should not be an issue through the next several hours at all. Boy, numerous storm reports all across north central Florida today. Trees down, power outages, wind gusts up to 40, 50 miles an hour. We even had one here at the north end and east end of Anna Maria Island today. We had a wind gust up to 45 miles an hour at the home weather station there. Ed Goff providing us with that. That's where we get that Anna Maria web shot from. As far as the distance goes, over 100 miles west and northwest of our area. So a long time before any rain moves in. So we don't anticipate any rainfall here throughout the evening. Some high clouds maybe out ahead of the storms themselves, but that would be about it. So if you have some plans this evening, not a problem. 89 degrees right now. A few of those clouds already starting to move in. Dew points coming up. Winds are out of the west at 10. And the pressure holding steady at 30 inches even. The high today, a hot one, 91 degrees, just a few degrees shy of the record 94, set in 74. This morning's low was 77, well above average because of a westerly wind. No rainfall, and we don't anticipate any rain until after this day's over. I think we'll get some showers and storms moving in. 89 now. And looks like temperatures around the area. Lakewood Ranch still at 90, 87 in Arcadia. Braden, you're at 88. Right on the water, Braden Beach, 80 degrees. Cortez, 81, 85 now into Venice Gardens. Well, here's one forecast model indicating that we will start to see the rainfall after midnight. This one weakens the area considerably before it moves on in. As I alluded to, though, we'll have to watch it as a result of it not initializing that well with the storms that are out there right now. And then over the weekend, just a few scattered storms, mainly in the afternoon and mainly inland, both on Saturday and Sunday. The rain chance is not all that high, 30% on Saturday, and it drops down to about 10% on Sunday. Elsewhere, the central U.S. is quiet now. A storm system moving through the Ohio Valley, bringing some rain to Kentucky and Ohio and out west, and the northern Rockies getting some rain there. 66 in Billings now, Los Angeles at 65 in Northeast, Toronto at 70, 66 in Boston, 72 in the nation, or I should say the nation's capital, and 68 now in Cleveland. For boaters, it looks like this. Winds out of the south tomorrow, turning to the west at 5 to 10 knots. Seas will be 1 to 2 feet. And a light chop on the bays and inland waters. The water temperature now 84 degrees, and we'll see a high tomorrow near the beaches right around 84. Tides upcoming, low tide at 7:56 and a high at 1:57. Another low tide tomorrow, 6:42. This evening's forecast, the showers and a few storms late. I don't think it'll be as intense as it was a couple of nights ago, but we could still see some thunderstorms. Low of 72, that'll happen after midnight. Should blow through pretty quickly by sunrise. Most of it should be out of here. Partly cloudy skies, a slight chance for a few scattered storms, and then 85 for your high on Sunday, and temperatures gradually warming up next week, but staying rather dry right through Thursday.